Listen, buddy. No, life is sometimes very weird. You do what is necessary to be, to thrive, to succeed in what you do. You make every effort that it could be made to succeed, but zero, nothing. No view, no comment, no compliment, even no click, nothing. And you wonder where was the mistake? You or who or what? What went wrong? Hmm. This question every successful people, man in this world, one day ask about what happened in his life, in his process of success. So do not be discouraged. Keep working. Keep creating, improving, innovating. Do it for yourself, okay, for your own sake. Because if what you do isn't a passion for you, it's a burden. It will be a burden, or it's literally a burden. So be very, let's say, free of mind. Okay, keep working and get joy, happiness from what you're doing, and one day, you will meet success eye to eyes, face to face. This was Coach Aswa. Never, ever, never stop learning. So far, so good. So take care, guys.